With the rise of artificial intelligence, detecting AI content can be hard, and I will turn it into a game. In this video, I will be working on a Discord bot which will let you guess what image is AI generated. Now, to make this happen, I had to do some serious digging. I searched the web for AI generated images using websites like dalipedia.com and Dali Tutorial Gallery to grab 60 of them. After that, I went ahead and found similar images made by humans. Of course, that's easier said than done. I had to get creative and use some tricks to make sure the human-generated images were not too obvious. For example, if a Google image had a watermark, I used the watermark remover.io to get rid of it. After all, we don't want you to just go "Ooga booga, this is human" by looking at the watermark and win the game. After formatting each image in separate folders, I started working on JS snippets to clip the images together. If you wonder how I will be hiding the DALL-E 2 logo, here's how. After playing around with the image positions, the generating part fully works now. All in just 96 lines of code. Why are we even here? Oh right, Discord bot. Yeah. How do you even create files in Windows via the command line? Great, now my hacker bit is ruined. Or is it? FaceDev file create new bot.js0. Damn, can't we just have touch? Oh wait, now we have to implement the code that clips the images into the Discord bot script, which doesn't exist, so that's a problem. Lazy. Hello again. While I was coding, I noticed a very high latency while creating the images, so I spent some code to measure which part of the code takes the most time, and it was this. Why? Because it's PNG. I switched it to JPEG and -1 second latency, minus unknown amount of image quality. But who cares? I finished the command. Now, to spice things up and have a competitive niche, I went to implement a database for streaks and overall score. After a few minutes, I finished implementing the ranked system, totally didn't steal it from a little more Wi-Fi issues later and I made a leaderboard command. A little more suggestions later and I added a restart button. A little more laziness later and I made a streak system. A little more repetitiveness later and I made the profile command. Now what? Time to waste time to gather more images so the game doesn't feel repetitive. Thanks to everyone that helped with getting the images in the Discord server. Join it by the way, you can play the game for free. After some time, we got 200 images. Good enough. Here's some gameplay. Again, if you want to play with the bot, you can add it to your Discord server or join our Discord server in the description. A big thanks to all the patrons for supporting the channel, thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next one.